Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone. To reset your iPhone, go to the settings. Scroll down until you find General, tap on it. Scroll down until you find right here at the bottom Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. And then here you have two options: Reset, erase all content, and settings. If you want to reset just the settings, click on Reset. And then here you will have a lot of other options to reset. You can reset all settings, you can reset network settings, you can reset keyboard dictionary, you can reset home screen layout, you can reset location and privacy. Just select one of these options to reset. If you want to erase everything on your device, click on Erase all content and settings. You will get this window showing you all the items that will be removed from your device. If you still want to erase everything, click on Continue. If you don't want, just click on Not Now. In my case, I'm going to click Not Now. Well everyone, these are the steps you should take if you want to reset or erase everything on your iPhone. Did you find this video helpful? Comment below and let us know. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.